Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Hope you're doing amazing. Today, we're diving into something wild, luxurious, and completely next level, the future of high-end motorhomes. We're not talking about your regular RVs. We're talking about the ultimate blend of engineering, design, and luxury. The 2026 editions of the Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, and Ferrari motorhomes. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has entered the luxury motorhome scene, and it's turning heads globally. Let's kick things off with Mercedes. Known for pushing boundaries in both luxury and innovation, the 2026 Mercedes motorhome is built on the latest Sprinter EV platform but takes a radical leap with the new EQ Van Max chassis. It's fully electric, has a 500-mile range on a single charge thanks to a solid-state battery pack, and supports ultra-fast charging. 15 minutes gets you 300 miles. But range is just the start. The real magic is inside. Imagine stepping into a motorhome where the cabin feels like a luxury loft. The 2026 model has floor-to-ceiling ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, AI climate control that learns your preferences, and a holographic dashboard with voice interactive navigation. The entire living space is modular. Need a workspace? Tap a button and the lounge converts into an office with 5G connectivity and AR conferencing. Want to relax? The ergonomic recliners morph into zero-gravity loungers. All materials used are sustainable: bamboo composite floors, vegan leather, and even 3D printed plant-based cabinetry. And yes, the panoramic smart glass roof turns opaque for privacy or becomes a stargazing window at night. But Mercedes didn't stop there. The Smart Drive system in the 2026 model allows for autonomous driving that's so advanced, you can literally let go of the wheel on long highway stretches and enjoy a movie while the AI handles everything. It's like flying first class, but on the road. And the built-in drone companion, yeah, it launches from the roof and follows your RV for epic drone shots. Social media game, next level. Now, let's talk Rolls-Royce. When Rolls decided to enter the motorhome market, people were skeptical. But 2026 proves they weren't just dipping a toe, they went all in. The Rolls-Royce Odyssey Phantom line is not just a vehicle. It's a mansion on wheels. The exterior, signature Rolls presence with a two-tone satin finish, a Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament made of crystal, and suicide doors that open up to pure opulence. Step inside, and you're greeted with handcrafted walnut panels, silk upholstery, and a ceiling lined with fiber optic stars, just like in their Phantom series. But bigger. The living area features a concealed 75-inch 8K OLED screen that emerges from the floor with a voice command. The kitchen is a bespoke chef's station with a hidden induction surface, a wine fridge, and even a retractable espresso bar. It's not just mobile luxury, it's a moving penthouse. Here's the kicker. The Rolls-Royce motorhome doesn't just drive, it glides. It's powered by a hybrid V12 electric powertrain that makes 1,100 horsepower. It floats over roads with adaptive air suspension that adjusts to terrain in real time. Whether you're in the Alps or cruising the French Riviera, you're traveling in unmatched comfort. And let's not forget the driver. Rolls-Royce thought of everything. The cockpit is just as luxurious, with hand-stitched leather, autonomous assistance, and even a massage system for the seat and the steering wheel. Yes, the steering wheel massages your hands. Welcome to the future. Now brace yourself, because Ferrari has entered the chat. That's right, the 2026 Ferrari Stallone isn't a concept anymore. It's real. The legendary performance brand known for racetracks is now redefining motorhome adrenaline. This isn't your average RV. It's a hyper-luxury performance cruiser. The Stallone is built on a custom carbon fiber monocoque frame. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V8 hybrid system pushing 950 horsepower. This beast goes 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, and that's with your espresso machine and bathroom onboard. From the outside, it's unmistakably Ferrari. Aggressive lines, low stance, triple exhausts, and scissor doors for the front cockpit. The entire vehicle sits on active suspension that adapts for both speed and comfort. And yes, it has launch control. On a motorhome, inside, you're not sacrificing luxury for performance. The design is minimalist, sleek, and completely driver-focused. Alcantara seats, carbon fiber accents, and a cockpit that makes you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. The rear cabin is modular but keeps Ferrari's racing DNA. Think leather, brushed aluminum, and deep red mood lighting. The back transforms into a sleek lounge, a gaming den, or even a mobile command center for your car collection. There's even a garage bay that fits a Ferrari SF90 Spider. It's a motorhome that brings your Ferrari inside your Ferrari. But it's not all speed and looks. The Stallone has advanced telemetry, allowing it to communicate with Ferrari service centers and get predictive maintenance alerts, route optimization, and performance tuning in real time via satellite. There's even a built-in track day mode that simulates race data while you drive on twisty mountain roads, because why not? So what does all this mean for the future of motorhomes? It means the game has changed. No longer are these vehicles reserved for retirees or camping enthusiasts. These are now status symbols, luxury residences, and high-tech marvels all in one. Whether you're cruising silently in your Mercedes EQ van, gliding in Rolls-Royce opulence, or tearing up the highway in Ferrari style, the motorhome is no longer just about travel. It's about presence, it's about experience, and above all, it's about freedom, on your terms, with no compromises. 2026 is the year where rolling luxury becomes legendary. And on Rolling Legends, we're just getting started. If you love what you've seen, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-octane luxury content, and let us know in the comments, which one of these 3 dream machines would you take on your ultimate road trip? Thanks for rolling with us. This is Rolling Legends, and we'll see you on the next ride.